Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. Number 5. ILIFE V3s. The Generation 3 Cyclone Power Cleaning System. A strong suction provides thorough, automatically starts on its scheduling program. The V3s even cleans underbeds. Free 12-month warranty. Multiple smart sensors avoid bumping around. Number 4. Eufy RoboVac. Delivers strong suction power for up to 1.5 hours. Clean your house with the click of a button. The low-profile design facilitates cleaning under tables. Three-point cleaning system, side brushes. Free 12-month warranty. Anti-scratch tempered glass cover for protection. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 980. iRobot Home app lets you clean. Runs for up to 120 minutes. Resumes cleaning to complete the entire job. Cleans an entire level of your home. Item weight, 8.7 pounds. iRobot Roomba 980 Robot Vacuum. Number 2. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot E79. Android and Apple compatible. Direct suction vacuum. Schedule and track cleaning sessions. Lithium battery supports quiet. 3 specialized cleaning modes. Intelligent sensor safety technology plus soft. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 960.
Throughout your entire home at the push of a button. Meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot helps you keep up with everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. While its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture, beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 900 series from just about anywhere and anytime. Cleaner floors every day, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.
Cleans an entire level of your home. Works with Alexa for voice control. Unauthorized, restless voids the manufacturer's warranty. iRobot Home app lets you clean. Compatible with Amazon Alexa. See list of authorized resellers in the warranty PDF below.